Lorsque vous visitez une nouvelle ville, considérez faire un walking tour gratuit, disponible dans la plupart des villes touristiques. La coutume est de laisser un pourboire au guide selon la qualité de sa présentation et de votre budget. C'est la manière la plus efficace de connaître une nouvelle métropole et bien sûr, de se faire des nouveaux amis. C'est ce que nous avons fait en arrivant à San Cristobal de las Casas, situé dans la région du Chiapas, au sud du Mexique. San Cristobal las Casas est entre autres réputé pour la qualité de son art de rue et ses artistes talentueux.
And this one, you see this figure over here? This, we call it pehel. Pehel is any round thing. It could be the full moon or an orange would be like pehel. But this is the closest thing that you can do to a circle. It's a representation of the whole universe. Have you ever heard of los Caracoles Zapatistas maybe? The Caracoles Zapatistas are very special communities here because they are autonomous communities that live here in the highlands of Chiapas. To be autonomous, it's a big responsibility. It means that you have to work to produce everything you need and also to have autonomous hospitals, autonomous schools. So it's a resistance also with themselves, no? To have that work. Pero entonces estos, los Caracoles Zapatistas, caracol means snail. And they use this shape, esa como la espiral, no? The spiral, they use this shape to make reference and also as a metaphor to help people understand easier, like how they view life. So for example, caracoles, they're always going slowly but forward. And when there's a conflict, for example, they first gather where the conflict is. If it is not completely solved, it has to continue going to the center, ¿no? Sí, y esta es como una representación del dios creador, dios del maïs, Quetzalcóatl, Kukulcán, depending for the Aztecas or for the Mayas.
Mais la découverte de la journée fut l'explication de la pierre d'ambre que l'on peut voir partout dans la région du sud du Mexique.
At some point, but this ámbar, the Mexican ámbar, is the oldest that has been found so far. It's more than 25 million years old. I know it sounds like incredible, or at least for me, it's very hard to understand 25 million years old. But imagine that that long ago, this sap of the tree was out of the tree, and at that point, all of the things that you see on the inside that are kind of trapped, it could be pieces of mud or leaves or like flowers that are inside of those really small pieces. They get trapped. And for it to be fossilized, at some point, it had to be under the salt water, under the ocean. So this means that these lands where they were found, at some point they had to be under the ocean level, and now they are like almost at 2,000 meters, like 1,800 meters above the sea level. So that's how much time passed. Now it makes you feel like really small in time.
Le tour se termine par une petite dégustation bien originale. Nous avons été surpris d'apprendre que les boissons chocolatées sont une de leurs spécialités. Évidemment, ce genre d'activité ne peut pas couvrir tous les attraits touristiques de la ville. Mais à tout coup, vous vous retrouverez avec une tonne de suggestions de restaurants, miradors à découvrir et plus encore. Nous vous le recommandons vivement.